Everyone, in this video I will show you how to make double line table in MS Word. Creating a table with double lines in Microsoft Word can be done either before you draw the table or by modifying an existing one. Here are the most efficient ways to achieve that look. So for this you need to click on the insert, click on the table and draw a table. And now you have to select the table, and this is one you have to do is click the four-sided arrow and then go to the table designs. It will appear automatically when you select the table. So in the border group, look for the line style drop down. It usually shows a single solid line by default here. So you just need to select it and select the double border. For example, I'll selecting this one, and now choose the color of the border, for example green, and now click the borders button next to it and select the alt borders. This will apply the double line to every cell in the table. So there is another method that is called the borders and shading dialog box method. So let me undo that first, and now again select the entire border by clicking this four-sided arrow and then go to the table design tab and click the small dialog box launcher at the bottom right corner of the border group. Click on that, and in the border and shading group you need to click on the borders. So under the style you need to select the double line, for example this one. Select the color of your choice, for example this color, and here is you need to select the width, for example 1/4 pt, and then you can see the preview here, and then apply to the click on this arrow and click on the table, click OK to apply, and here you can see that. There is another method that is called the border painter method. If you only want specific lines like the outside border, you can make it to the double line. So let me undo that. Click inside the table and go to the table designs and select the pen color, for example this blue color, and now in the line you need to select the double line. Your cursor will turn into a paintbrush, and now click over the specific lines you want to change to a double line format, for example this one. Here you can see that. So this way you can easily make double line table in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.